What is up, baddies? I'm back again with another video. It's going to be a combination of a review slash somewhat of an unboxing. So I finally got my hands on the Jackie Aina palette. I actually bought it when it was released, but I was on the island and I shipped it to a friend's house because my parents were on my case about, you know, spending my money on non-essential things. So yeah, and we didn't really like link up right away when I got home, so it was just kind of like it was sitting in her house and I had to wait on her schedule. So that's what it does. I know, look crazy because I was trying to do a look and I just wanted to see if it would look cute. In BT dubs, it does. So the Jackie Aina palette, I feel like it didn't get enough hype personally. I ordered from the Anastasia Beverly Hills website and I got like, there was like the basic one where you just get the palette, but I got this one. I love the packaging. I love this. I think you would call it like chrome, but it's like animal textured, and the palette came inside. I just thought it was really, really pretty. I already took the palette out, BT dubs. And it came with this makeup bag that has, you know, which is, it's see-through and again has a like chromey dual chrome effect, super massive. Definitely could see myself using this like on vacation if I go out. And then we have the lovely palette. I've heard so many good reviews about it that I feel like everyone loves it. I know there's some controversy against Wigglies because some folks were trying to claim that it oppresses them or some nonsense, but we know that's not true. I think it's super buttery pigment. The shadows are beautiful. Of course, it's an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Also Jackie. I love the color story. It's really, really pretty. Kind of reminds me of this one palette called Self Made, just because it's this like shimmery color, but it's really, really, really different. So we're under quarantine. It's not like I'm going anywhere with this look. No dates. We just gonna be in the house, so we're just gonna beat our face to walk around the house and take selfies in because that is self-preservation. Okay, I actually found this like look tutorial where someone kind of numbered it, and I thought that was really helpful, and that's what I have. I am by no means a professional. Do not have any type of accreditation in makeup, so if things look rough, then they just look rough. Okay, from what I remember. Okay, so we are going to take Big Wig right there, this purple shade. You know, swirl it up. Sorry, it's been so long since I recorded a video, so I feel very like newbie, like I feel very awkward. And now you're just gonna, I started in my inner corner, and you kind of want to leave the middle empty, because you're gonna fill that up with a like shimmery shade. You're gonna fill that up with Shockington. I could have done without the names personally. Like I've said before, I'm gonna wing it out to give my shape more of an almond shape. Take some more of Big Wig. Just kind of cover the eye, and just make sure that this middle lid, this like, is reserved because we're going to fill it up with Shockington right in the middle. You see how there's like a little bit of shimmer right here? So you can keep going as much as you want. I again am creating my almond shape. It's kind of like doing wing liner. You could be messy just because you're gonna eventually blend it out with edges. This like bronzy color right here. I guess orangey, bronzy, whatever color you want to call it. But make sure, like I said, leave some space. Okay. Looks like you got beat up, but that's fashion, that's makeup. I'm gonna drag some of it down to my lower lash line. Oh, shit. I'm not a big fan of that just because I guess I get too close. Okay, now we're gonna move on to edges, like I said, which is this color. I'm gonna try to insert a clip of what the color actually looks like so you can see what I'm doing. And you're kind of just gonna go on top. Do you see where I'm going? And you're just gonna try to blend it. colors are beautiful. Like, yes, there is some kickback, but like that's not, like I said, I don't have an issue with kickback. I know some people are like, oh my god, there's powder everywhere, but it's like, I feel like that's on par with most eyeshadows, truthfully. So after you are done swiping your eyes with edges and kind of taking away from that harsh line that that big wig created, you're gonna go back with big wig, just because you want it to be very defined. You know, it's part of the look, part of the steeze. You don't want things to get lost. Again, you're gonna keep that middle part free. So now I just took like a regular angled brush and I'm gonna wet it just so that the color is more vibrant. Ooh, I'm using tea tree water just because my skin has changed a lot, so it's just there. So I just use it and you're just gonna pat the color into the middle. You know, going to try and blend it in between, just blend Shockington so that it looks kind of fluid. Not kind of, but you want it to look, you know, you don't want it to look like you just slapped on a color in the middle of your eyelid, so. So we're gonna go back with a biggie wig. Just so it looks solid. You know? Ooh la la. Sorry. I was cutting my wig so there's like hair on my face. You can also just use a fluffy brush to just get rid of some of that excess powder. I mean, like fallout. I'm sorry, I wasn't trying to say this is powder. This is cute. Real cute. Okay, Jackie. And then after that, we're going to take another no wait, I'm gonna take like a smaller brush and we're gonna use Soleil, which is like a little glittery pink champagne right there, and we're gonna put it in the inner tear ducts of our eye. Again, if you kind of want shimmery shades to kind of adhere to your brush, spray it. It smells so good. Butters tea tree oil smells so good all the time. And you're gonna go pack, 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 pack. You don't want to rub, you want to pack. Just in the inner tear ducts. Give a little va-va-voom. Okay. She look good. Like I said, sorry. We're just gonna take big wig and edges and we're just gonna draw them down to our lower lash line. I like to connect it to the wing shape that I created so it looks cohesive. In my opinion, you don't gotta do that. You can do whatever your heart desires, babes, okay? And then I'm gonna take, did I use this already? I did, sorry. Then I'm gonna take like a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna get as close to my lash line as I can. And you wanna drag that up as well. Just kind of, girls, we look good. We did that. Now we're just gonna load up on some mascara when I find some. Don't you hate that? I'm back. Okay, this is the final look. I just went to my bathroom to just get some mascara and, you know, we look cute. 5 out of 5. I would recommend this palette. Support a black influencer who's been in the game for so long, whether you like her or whether you don't like her. The palette is actually, it's flawless. Like, you could do daytime, you could do nighttime, you could do avant-garde, you could do editorial type looks with this. I feel like it's very versatile and it works for a variety of shades, especially my dark skin queens. Okay, so Jackie, you did it, girl. You put your foot in this palette. I see you. We see each other. Just kidding. Anyway, thank you for watching this review slash unboxing slash simple eye look. Peace out. Give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave some comments. Let's chit chat. Bye, babes. Have fun. Stay inside, wash your hands, and do the dab when you cough. Bye, loves.